So we're gonna do a little mukbang tonight, McDonald's style. I couldn't tell you the last time I had McDonald's. I got a double cheeseburger with no pickles. I got French fries, and I got a Diet Coke for the you know what? I love that girl. So anyway, I watched this one creator who does 3-bite mukbangs, and I think it's pretty cool. I really do. So you take 3 bites, as much as you can fit into your mouth. You take 3 bites of everything that you have, and after those 3 bites, you're done. So I think I'm gonna go for that because like I'm starving. I could eat this whole thing, and I really don't want to eat the whole thing. So we're gonna start with the French fries because, as you know, or if you don't know, McDonald's French fries are much better hot than they are cold. And I don't like how they taste when they're cold, nor do I like the smell when they're cold. So I think I can fit more in my mouth. Mm, oh, mm, mm. Oh my God. So good. Mm. Definitely, definitely gonna fit more in my mouth. Mm. Oh my God. I'm starving. So hungry. Oh, and bite number 2. That last bite gonna be like this whole bag. But I think she's smart for doing that. And she gets a lot of crap for it, because people think like, oh, she's wasting food. And look, let her be. Let her do her. Because for us that overeat or have had a weight problem before, that still crave junk food like McDonald's or Burger King or whatever, let us be. The craving that she has, like she's giving into it, yet she's in moderation. Everything's in moderation. You can have whatever you want, just in moderation. So I think she's smart and I like it. So I'm gonna try it. Oh God. Mm. Oh my God. Mm. 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 So good. So good. That was 3 bites. Mm. 5 French fries. Mm. And a sip. Mm. That's a crispy Diet Coke. Woo! Makes me want to burp. Oh my God. I'm so hungry. I ate that so fast. But I got my cheeseburger. It's not just any cheeseburger. It's a double cheeseburger. Look at that. Oh, yes. Oh my God. And it's still hot. Look at the ketchup and the cheese. And yes, it's a double. I just gotta give myself a minute because I want to take a really big bite. A really big bite. Anyway, I don't know where you're watching from, but it is shitty as fuck here in Maryland. It has been raining since I left the house this morning at like 5:30 a.m. and it has not stopped at all. It has not stopped at all. Mm-mm. And I hate it. So let's go in for bite number 1. Mm, mm, oh yeah. Mm, it's so good. Mm, when you're that hungry, it's so good. I really got away from McDonald's But sometimes you just get a craving for it, you know? And sometimes it hits really good. And sometimes it's like, not so good. Tonight, oh God, really good. Oh, here we go. Oh my God. Mm. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, I'm eating too fast. When my belly starts getting full, I start getting hiccups. Don't ask me why. But it's so annoying because then it's like out of the, I can be anywhere and I'm like, I have 2 bites left. 2 more bites. 2 more bites. I'm gonna go this side. Mm. Mm. That's good. It's really good. Mm. It's really good. Mm. Go to McDonald's, get a double cheeseburger. Get some small fries. Get yourself a crispy Diet Coke. Mm. It's so good. Yeah, I'm so tired. I want to go home and relax. But I needed to eat first because otherwise, like, I'll start feeling like I'm sick or like my sugar drops, which I'm not diabetic, so don't think that. I'm not. But it's just something that happens. So good. If you don't watch, I believe her name is Angela. I'll tag her in this video. If you don't know her, if you don't follow her, definitely check her out. She's got great content. She's like down to earth girl, tells it how it is. Some people like it, some people don't. Oh freaking well, if you do or if you don't. So, all right, I'm running out of time, so I'm gonna take my last bite. Oh, I could have done better than that, but that's okay. This is what I have left, but I'm not gonna eat it. Sorry, not sorry. That was so freaking good. Real good. Anyway, thank you, Angela. Appreciate you. Love you. Everybody else, bye.